Hello guys, all are good. So guys, today we'll see how we can deploy our React project in GitHub Pages. Okay, so in simple way, guys, we will see how we can deploy, because this was most asked question, like how we can deploy our React project in GitHub. Okay, so that only we will see, and how to create GitHub account also. That also I have video already I have done, so you can watch that video also. Okay, so let's start, guys. So you can see, guys, this is my React app. So I have given the name my React app, and this is my simple app. And you can see, guys, this is my output, how it will look. Okay, so this is the, you can see, if you increment, it will get increment. Okay, there is no decrement, I think. Okay, only increment is there, guys. So what we will do, guys, this app only we will deploy in our GitHub Pages. Okay, so we'll go back here, guys. Okay, so we will not remove anything, and here only we'll start. Okay, before that, what we need to do, guys, we need to stop this. Okay, so control, make it control C, yes, and stop. And one more thing, guys, just watch this video full, then only you will get all the things how to deploy in our GitHub Pages and all. Otherwise you will miss the things, guys. Okay, so watch this video full, and how I'm deploying this React app. Like that, you can deploy yours also React app in GitHub Pages. Okay, fine. Then what I will do, I'll clear here. Then first step you need to, and guys, one more thing, you can see these are the steps, so we will follow these steps only. Okay, so first this step is there, then next is create repository is there, and other things, so that one by one I'll tell, guys. Okay, so first here I'll take this install. See, guys, here one more thing, I'll just copy this and I'll paste here. You will see this error, guys, if you do this only install dash dash save GS pages. Okay, so if guys, you can see here it is asking for this, because I have to use here npm install save pages. Okay, so now we'll see. So you can see, guys, it is installing. See, suppose if you are not added here npm, now it will give this error like enter, and you will get confusion, guys. So use npm before this. Okay, there should be npm install, and all these steps we need to follow. Okay, so this is done. The next what we need to do, guys, next, see here there is a path. Okay, home and all. So before this I will add one more step, that is create repository. Okay, so we need to create repository also. So what we will do, guys, we'll create one repository here. So I'll go in my GitHub account, and I'll give the same name, that is my React app. Okay, and here we'll create one new repository. This name will be the same, public will do, and we'll create the repository. Okay, now you can see, guys, my repository is created, that is my React app, and here also I'll get some steps that I have to follow, that will follow later, guys. Okay, so next what we need to, guys, next, just copy this home page, and this we need to add in our package.json file. Okay, so here at the first line only I will add this. Okay, so here, guys, here is my GitHub repository username. So you can see, guys, here is my username, that is Sunita Sonu, and this is my repository name. Okay, so I will copy, okay, my React app, I'll write, and here I have to write my repository name, that is my React app. Okay, done. I think you got it, guys. This is my repository name, and this is my username, repository username. Okay, then next what we need to do, guys, next after this, just copy this pre-deploy and come here, and here you can see here script is there, here we need to add that. Okay, so I have added that. Then next one more file is there, that is uh deploy. This also we need to add here only. Okay, so I'm adding here. So these two lines we need to add, guys, that is pre-deploy and deploy and home page. Okay, done. Next what we need to do, next you can see, guys, there is a base React app. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this and just go here. You can see here, guys, there is a vite.config.json. So here we need to copy here. Okay, and here my file name will come, that is my React app. So it is my React app. You can see the same my React app I have given here. So in with.config.js we need to add this my file name. Okay, done. Next, after that, what we need to do is, next to deploy in means this file in GitHub, we need to follow these steps. Okay, first what we need to follow, just follow this git init. Okay, so what I will do, I will just clear, then git, okay, space init. So okay, now the repository is empty at starting. Then git add a dot. Okay, so here it is git add dot. Okay, the next step is what, guys, then we need to commit this and deploy to GitHub. Okay, so I am copying this command and directly I'm pasting here. We just follow these commands, guys. I have given already notes. Just note down this in your book or in your Word file or Notepad file, then follow the steps. Okay, so done, guys. This is, and if you go here, now here also you will get steps, guys. You can see here also there are git in there. If you want to add this also, you can. If you are, suppose if you are done there while creating repository readme file, then you need to add this also. Okay, fine. Then this is done, guys. Commit. Okay, commit spelling is wrong here. Okay, fine. See, guys, already my all files are has been committed. Then next what, next here also you will get the steps, guys. We will follow this git branch main. Okay, so our is main branch, right? So I have taken that. Okay, this is done. You can follow this step, either that step, both are same only. Okay, then next, guys, we need to take this command line, that is git remote add origin, and here is my username and here is my repository name. Okay, just I will copy and I'll paste there. Suppose if you did not got this link, just write here your username and here your file name. Okay, and just make it dot git, and everything will be same, this all things will be same. I will enter here. Okay, this is done. Then next step is what, guys, after this, we need to push this to my GitHub repository, right? So here also you will see the same steps are there, same steps I have written here, guys. Don't get confused, this and that same steps, only these steps are not available in this. So I have written that all the steps you can follow either this or that. So I'm pushing to my origin main. Then next last step will be, guys, we need to deploy. Okay, after this our file will get deployed in my GitHub repository. Okay, so this is done, guys. Then next deployment we will do, and we'll see whether it is deployed or not. Okay, it is starting. It will take some time to deploy. You can see, guys, here my dist file is created, and you can see here it is this folder is created. In background the deployment is happening, guys. Okay, see, guys, it is published now. Okay, fine. Then if you come here in your repository and if you go my React app, you will see that all the files, you can see, guys, all the files has been deployed. Already it was empty, now all the files are deployed here. Okay, you can see. Okay, deployment is done, and you will see here, guys, how much JavaScript is there, how much CSS is there, how much HTML is, everything you will see here, languages and all. Fine, guys. Then next you need to come here, just go in settings. See, guys, after the deployment it will open like this. Then go in setting, then pages. Here you can see the source deploy from a branch. Then here it is gh pages, and here it is root. Then you need to save. And suppose if you go here in code or action, if you go here, you will see here, you see, guys, already my deployment is done, that is pages built and deployment is done. Okay, so if I go here in settings, then pages, you will see here your site is live at this, my site is live now. Okay, it is deployed 1 minute ago. If I visit here, I'll get all the things. See, guys. Okay, it is my app. So you can see, guys, whatever files are there now, whatever it is there, that I can see here in my GitHub repository. You can see, guys, everything it is there, right? If you change here, you can deploy that file, guys. Okay, I have not changed, my file is same, so you can see here the same file is there, everything is there. Okay, so you can see, guys, it is working, increment is happening, decrement is increment only, there is no decrement. Okay, so you can see my React is means my React app is live now, you can see, guys. So it's good, right? So like this you can do, guys, your React means you can deploy your React project or React files in your GitHub repository or GitHub pages, you can see. And here we will get, guys, this is my username and this is my repository name, like this. Like this the URL will be, you can share this URL to anybody. Now it is public, anyone can use this, guys, because our site is live now. Okay, so like this what you can do, guys, like this you can deploy your React app in GitHub pages. So I hope, guys, you got all the things. Suppose if you have any question regarding this, then guys please comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.